friends, today I'll share how to hold a pencil for better drawing. When we start to learn, we learn to hold pencil something like this to be able to write. But for drawing, we want to be able to have a very lighter touch so we can have better control on our values. So for that, it is more helpful to hold pencils from, a little bit towards the back. So either at the middle like this or at the back. If you can hold a pencil like this, it may feel a little uncomfortable in the beginning, but if you can hold it like this and draw, you will be able to have much finer values. Make sure you are resting your wrist at a solid place and then just move your fingers around to be able to get the maximum range of movement possible. Some people actually like to hold their pencil like this. The idea is to be able to have a longer touch point with the tip of the pencil. So for that, actually it is more helpful if you have if you sharpen it with a knife to get a longer the lead at the end. So with that, you can hold it like this so that the maximum of this lead is touching the pencil, and that way you can create wider strokes. The other way to hold a pencil is, the way I learned is, you can hold it between the middle and the index finger. So again, this is another way of holding a pencil that will allow you to have longer touch point with the pencil, and then it will allow you to have a better shading. But either way, whichever way you hold the pencil, the key is to make sure that your wrist is resting in a stationary place, and then you are able to just move around the pencil. You don't really need to go put in all the work to sharpen pencils like that. You can actually just use a regular sharpener and just hold the pencil at the back. This is easier as you are beginning to draw, and then just have patience to draw it stroke by stroke. This will give you one of the smoothest shading possible. So I do have more videos coming up to also show you some tricks on how to get a smoother shading. So if you have not subscribed to that video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.